3D ship model soft and 3D printer copies building techniques. Describe the hull deformation after grounding, collision easy understanding by lowers, charters, insurances and brokers. The hull deformation presented by color scale and by the shadow presented the unaffected hull. Green is good, red is the worst. The hull vibration presented by color scale. Superstructure noise measurements in color scale. Realize modification of existing ship by adding or extending a deck or satellite dome arrangements. (3D printer output). 3D printer output. Presentation of how the ship has been in the past. Have as data the ship drawings. We reproduce the ship in 3D for presentation and museum purposes. 3D printer output. 3D modeling used realize the outlook of the yacht and arranging details. (3D printer output). (3D model used as input data of fluent flow models for resistance calculation, trim optimization or hull vibration response.